Oh no, the check engine light went off today. What am I going to do? Today's video will show you how to troubleshoot your check engine light with a basic tool that's not very expensive, and it's real easy to do. Doesn't take a rocket science. So let's get into it. I picked up this check engine diagnostic tool a while back through Amazon, and it is compatible with my car. So let's do a quick unboxing, kind of show you what comes in the box. In the box we have a super fancy owner's manual, very well explanatory, and then you have a tool, and it comes in a plastic bag. So let's pull it out of its bag, and you have the tool, P069033. They may have a new model number out now, and it has a connector that plugs into a connector under your dashboard, and it gets power off of your car power, so you don't have to be a guru to make this work. So if you look underneath the dash in my car, let's see, you can find that connector right there. So what we're going to do, let's if I can show, we'll plug this bad boy up, and let's see if we can get a better picture here, and it is ready to go. The instructions say to turn the ignition on but do not power the car on, so let's do that. I've got it on. And it's linking to my car. It found two codes. I'm going to read the codes. The evaporative emission system leak. That's normally a gas cap. So it looks like we have a very small leak. I probably just need to fill my car up with gas. So what we'll do, we're going to press the down arrow key. We're going to tell it to erase the code. It says, "Are you sure?" I'm going to say, "Yeah." And then what we'll do is turn my car off. And then let's crank her up. Holy moly! Check engine light is off, and we're ready to go. The diagnostic tool told me that it's some type of leak in my evaporative system, which is my gas system from the gas tank to the engine. So what I'm going to do first is clean off the gas cap area real good, even though it is a capless gas tank, and then fill my car up with fuel, and see if that will fix the check engine light issue that I have. It's amazing how in today's world you can find answers on how to fix things, fix your car, fix your house, work in your yard, work on your computer, just by searching on the internet. And I hope today's video on how to troubleshoot your check engine light simply helped you. It's easy to do with a real basic tool that's not very expensive. And I hope something good happens to you today. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.